Alright, got the Rebel V2. Last time I had it out, had a ground loop on it, or a tip stall at landing, and busted the gear out, broke the nose off, got it all patched up, ready to go. Got a bunch of birds down there. Hopefully we don't have any conflict with them. I'll try to put some flaps up, get off the ground quick. Nah, they'll probably get away.
Wow. You holding back on the throttle? Doug told me, I think he said this would be the first day he could be out here.
Oh, they're back from Oshkosh?
Yeah, I think he said Tuesday. This was early last week. Maybe he said he'd get in Tuesday. That's one reason I thought I'd push that airplane. But when I pulled on that strap this morning, I got to have that strap over that battery and I'm doing no forget it.
Couldn't just put some Velcro on the battery and...
Well, no, it's... I got it. I don't have a good system on it. It's got a battery tray, and I've got it mounted standing up on the battery tray, not laying down. And the tray doesn't snap into place like it should.
Oh.
And when it does, it's a real weak snap.
I gotcha.
Yeah. So I thought I'd just put a strap across the back of it just to keep it from sliding.
Right.
And it just pulled out really easy. So I'll sand that down. And I may put that strap on the back side of a piece of balsa wood. You follow me on that?
Right.
And that way, yeah, it'll have a whole lot more area. But I was upset when I jerked on it.
Wonder why it didn't hold.
I don't know. I was thinking maybe there's a chemical they put on it to...
Oh yeah, yeah. You didn't sand it down before you put it. Yeah.
Yeah, I just stuck it on. I wasn't thinking about it.
Yeah, get you a little sandpaper to it. It'll probably be fine then.
Yeah. But I was thinking about putting a little piece of balsa wood in there.